All right, so here we've got pulley systems again. There's a very nice, easy, simple formula we can use. So if you ever notice it's talking about the number of pulleys, you might as well go ahead and find the mechanical advantage because that should be basically free. And then from there, continue to read the question, see what's going on, and see what you're trying to find. In this case, we've got 6 fixed and 6 movable pulleys. So simply 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, now that's not the answer because we haven't messed with any of the forces at all. But we can take our proportion from earlier and the mechanical advantage formula with the lengths and sort of combine them a little bit, and we can come up with a new mechanical advantage formula. So we can say mechanical advantage comes from output force over input force. Now you do need to be careful here because compared to looking at lengths, input and output are switched in different places. You also do have to be careful when you're looking for output force. That's typically going to be the weight of the thing you're trying to move around. And I don't know if we've talked about this for a while, maybe you've forgotten, but kilograms are a measure of mass. So we will need to fix that first. Take this thing and multiply by gravity, so it turns into an actual force for weight. Um, that will give us newtons from combining these units and running that through a calculator. Looks like 289.884. Okay, so there's our output force. It says find the input force. We have the mechanical advantage. We have almost everything, which means if there's only one part left, we should hopefully be able to solve for it. All right, so now the mechanical advantage was 12. For convenience, I'm going to put this as 12 over 1. And that way, if we have an ugly fraction equal to another ugly fraction, it looks like a proportion and we have a consistent way to solve those. The output force, again, is just the weight of the thing we're trying to pick up and move around. So that's the 289.884 number. Then the only thing left is the input force that we're trying to find anyway. So if we cross multiply, I like to do the variable part first. So 12 times F is just 12 times F. I don't know what to do with that yet. Then 1 multiplied by 289 is just going to be that same number back again. And then noticing that I almost have the answer, just the number 12 is in the way, I can go ahead and divide by 12. That'll give me roughly 24.16 newtons because that's all I had left over from my units.